it's your boy Zonos, man. We back to y'all with a whole different video this time. Man, as you can see, I got my Fruity Pebbles right here. I got my bowl of cereal. I got me a tad bit of milk for my cereal. And then on this side here, I got me a dozen of eggs and I got my cup. So I'm gonna be playing a game today with these deck of cards and the Joker. The Joker is gonna mean I'm gonna eat both of them at the same time. And if I pick, hold on, let me show you. If I pick an ace, that means I gotta eat, I said eat, fuck. Drink some of the egg yolk, and then if I pick any other card other than these, so you got Jack, let me show you, you got Jack, hold on, let me show you. You got Jack, King, you see what else? Queen, and ace. Okay, so basically, you got your Jack, King, Queen, ace. If I pick any one of those cards right there, I'll be drinking some egg yolk. I never had egg yolk a day in my life. I heard egg yolk was nasty, but of course, if you working out and shit and you want to be one of them tough guys, and then of course, you will know what egg yolk tastes like. Cause I be seeing little videos, motherfuckers that be doing all these workouts and everything, and be drinking this egg yolk, and y'all can have that shit. But anyways, let me get everything set up, and we gonna get to it. Alright, I got my bowl here. So let's go ahead and get these Fruity Pebbles going. Fruity Pebbles. Hey, comment down below what's y'all favorite cereal. You got Fruity Pebbles. Me personally, I like Fruity Pebbles. What it is, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Frosted Flakes, you know shit, but you from the goddamn ghetto and shit. We goddamn but know what cornflakes is. You got cornflakes and shit, but you put some sugar. Okay, alright, that's enough. Alright, that's enough Fruity Pebbles. If y'all can see. Alright, I got my Fruity Pebbles right there. My milk. This right here should be enough milk. Shit, what Craig Daddy say? Hey, put some water on this shit. But this right here is enough milk. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Y'all can see. Y'all can see it's cool. So, I got my cereal. Now, time for this egg yolk. Alright, bro, let me get my egg yolk going on now. I'm just gonna use one egg. One egg. One egg. Let's crack this egg. Y'all can see. Fuck. Here it come. Oh shit. Goddamn. A goddamn egg yolk and fucking got in the cup. If y'all can see. Hold on, let me pick up the camera so y'all can see. A fucking egg yolk and got in the goddamn cup. If y'all can see it. There you go. Goddamn egg yolk. Fuck. But let me go ahead. Hold on, let me what you call it. Alright. Let me go ahead and fix the goddamn, get this egg yolk out this shit. Let me see can I get it. See can I get it. Alright, I got it. I got it. We good. Okay, now I got everything cracked. I got my bowl of Fruity Pebbles over here. I got my cup of egg yolk right here. I eat eggs, but drinking the shit straight, like raw, never had it before. So, I explained it already, but just in case, okay, if I pick any of these cards, ace, king, queen, jack, I will be drinking some egg yolk. If I pick anything else, 2 through 10, I'm good. This is an example. It's a cane. I picked the cane. A cane, I will be sipping some of this nasty egg yolk, because I'm pretty sure that it's nasty. But yeah, this basically is the example. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm going in so y'all can see that I'm not cheating. What is it? A 5. It's a 5. I'm good. Let me put that up there. I'm good. Let's get it. What this is, number 4? Yeah, this right here is number 4. What is it? Oh my God! No! So y'all can see that it's egg yolk in here. Hold on, let me show the camera. Make sure the camera get it. It's egg yolk. There's egg yolk in here. First sip. Oh my goodness. I sure hope I don't throw up. Oh shit! Fuck! Woo! God damn! How motherfuckers drink this shit? How do motherfuckers drink this shit? Oh nah. Y'all don't add no seasoning, no nothing to this? Motherfuckers just crack an egg and drink it straight. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. No, sir. What's this? What's this, number 6? Oh my God! Both of them? I gotta try both of them? Both of them? The Fruity Pebbles and the egg yolk? Oh fuck. I think I know a way that I can do it. Hold on. I can put the egg yolk on top of the cereal. The cereal and pour me some egg yolk on it. Let me see, guys. Oh, God damn. I poured too much. If y'all can see it, but it's some egg yolk on there. Damn, some egg yolk out of my cereal. Well, let's get to it. Shit. I ain't gonna lie though. I'd be crazy if I say that right there is kind of good. I don't know. But anyways, let's get to what it is. 6, number 6. There's some egg yolk had got in my cereal too. Like it's over there to the side. Let me see if y'all see. But it's some egg yolk in here. Oh my fucking God. Fuck. Fruity Pebbles. Give it up, Fruity Pebbles. Now walk it out. Zoom. We in the club like zoom. Hey baby. Alright. Last card, baby. Let's see where we at. For the last one, just for the video, I'm gonna pull 2 of them. Card number 1, over here. Card number 2. I got 2 of them. 2 of them. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. No. A Jack and the Queen, the egg yolk. I got the egg yolk. I got the fucking egg yolk. Oh my goodness. That's all what I got left. Hold on, let me show y'all. That's all what I got left. Hold on, let me tip the camera. Oh. Yeah, that's all what I got left. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill all the egg yolk. I'm gonna kill it. Pick it and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick it and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick it and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick it and kill it and kill it and kill it. Come on, let's get to it. Toast. Toast to the camera, baby. Let's get it. Baby. Oh, wow.
Your soul from you. Don't never fall a bitch, niggas. Let hoes run you. Don't never do no sucker shit to get money. Don't never let her feel you need her. She ain't funny.